West Karbi Anglong District Press Club pen Cepatir Piponsi National Press Day Katalon Pon. Dongmukak Press Club atum pherangke amei kepha pon. Piniphay ko niniphay Great Rock National Press Day ni pachaton dun si nijang Karbi Anglong District Press Club pen Cepatir Piponsi tumpreng sing ronghang Memorial Park for SIB asai hemalong Bangso National Press Day talon pon. Bangso katalon along West Karbi Anglong District Press Club President Daniel Inghi pen simai cepahem phupon Bangso jai megalong aluhiaman pen kachetong dun West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Srimati Krishna Barua ACS chetong dun anparta Senior Journalist Great Press Club atum pherangke klembang pudo anstami chetong dun Bangso jai megalong West Karbi Anglong District Press Club ahin pen DC aphan panongsi pinpura lo sitami pajirpon Lapentu Senior Journalist atumaphan sitami nong e sitami pipa jerpon lason si pinibang pharo so se pherangke klembang atum chetong si aliralon mei pen pachunpon
for his 56th National Press Day. I'm very privileged to be here, and it is my earnest request so that the positive news of these districts comes out in your channels and in the newspapers and in the print media. So that is my honest request, and always be fruitful to the society, to our community, and best wishes. Thank you.
What about on the House of this media given already memorandum? So can you explain about it?
We are getting this information regarding some kind of youngsters are getting attracted towards these drug abuse, drugs and other psychotropic substances. So from our side, we are doing already this awareness in the schools, and also we'll be doing it later on, maybe after this month. We'll be doing each and every schools, so not to fall trap to these substances. So for this we'll be taking help of different NGOs and other organizations who are there. So we are having a discussion with them, and they are willing to come over to our districts and they will help us. And also on many issues are coming up in the judicial court. They have informed me regarding many POXO cases. So these two issues we'll be definitely dealing with this, and that is the main.
Dongmukak pen Sanjeev News Cap Karbi Anglong News. Piniphay ko niniphay Chris Cap Dongmukak Press Club atumahin pen pherangke amei kepha nangkok alam thiabangke non malom ki viral that EM Kangbura Kiling media atumpan karbok thap ki puthap alam charjulong si ningduk piglo alam thiabangke nang tu media atuman ke terrorist asong si cyclone bombu karbok thap ke ningduk piglo lapen alang lita 4 pillars of Indian Constitution alam jong si kachinia bang phupulote lason alam the ningje jedet nangji lapen nilitum pherangke atum sitami kichok chipet pukali kumatnia pherangke jong si nangli jongjong jong tung mati puingtung pulote nangli kichok chiabang phophansi jongvet nangji lapuson nangli anut banghinia phan kipu kangtung pen kadu kavya phan paropon thipke chok chipusi jongpon lapen nilitum media atumke terrorist pu nangkipu aputhak konat pensi nangli ke jongda labang so aputhak ang thek napaklang nangji pusi pherangke amayalong ningjepon
nilitum Dongmukak Press Club ahin pen asi pherangke amei pedunang kok alam thi bangalalo non malom isi audio clips ke viral tetap thak alam thi bangke EM Kangbura Kiling alang li hin pen pherangke to fan kiputot pen karbok thap labang so alam thi puthak il tum samai charjulong si ning tupik lo tema alang li hin pen kipudam la son halo media tum han ke terrorist atuma sonsi non cyclone bomb labang so puthak kini je pon to ko posini tum ning tupik lo alang li tainut 4 pillar of Indian Constitution labang so alam yang si kichinia bang phuklote laposon ning je jide nang ye pon lo ate itum pherangke ang bong stame anu tin si chokpet po chini pet po quality jatvet po lapukali sampai la song bom pen komane yang si akicok chia pan komane akicok chia pan yang si nang li jong tung pulo tang te nang li jong bet nang ji ba jong dak nang ji nang li nu ta bang pu komane bang pu na apan nang li kipuji kang tung ta hai mene pen ang ton pherangke tempat nang li la puson ki ning ji ji da nang ya asini tum bang so thang ning duk lo asin ya son na nili tum hin pen nang li pan si kipu kang tung bang la lo pherangke teman ke teroris ason lo punang li kunat pen sinang kijong dam besila bang solam ti kininji ma sang so puthak ni tuman ang thik nam paklang ning pusi nilitum Dongmukak Press Club hin benta ni tum kihang pon padu lo sinang li in pen feder dipin melang so alam clark ni tum hanang tipu punang si ning kipang lo
Karbiang long autonomous council long EM kikitang batai pho therok kikitang atum ta dolo ta boy fis tame lapuson nilitum pherangke tompan nangkelang plot nangki pusit lapuson itu chajulong le pinlang lapen thekdamlong le lang ta boy fis tame nangli non head jong ai emang hoi kangni dumpen nilitum pherangke phan nangkelang plot nangke pin rem ta bangso jakong nangli kunap pensi ke chelong langdame lapen Karbiang Autonomous Council CM Akai Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alangli ningkan sirket CM duetlo tabon sitame alangli nilitum pherangke bhanda nang ching homtik kisung ke boylong same alangli nang rabdun lapen Karbiang lo nangli EM arku kelong dun lapen nangli ke claim ke pherangke tumphan kelangrem ki pusit radaphan nangli kanghon kontekte lapson awakadur tong nangli cibiwel kuma lasi nangli han tuning riglo lapuson kewang jiar ni tame lanon e boy gul detlo aposi kewang jiar ni nangli cepak keng konten uthot Karbiang long apherangke aphan man piponpo kusi nilitum Dongmukak Press Club ahin pen tuning rig kom lo kardong